Okay. Hi, my loves. I'm back with another video as promised. I know I promised that I was gonna show you guys how I laid the updo of the Love Me 22-inch. Alright, so here I am at Exquisite Installs. Yes, I asked permission if I could take little snippets, and of course I did feel awkward, thinking that she feels awkward being in the frame. But yeah, she did the do. And I have some good reviews about Exquisite Installs. But let's go ahead and watch how she did my install. So I was about 10 minutes late for the appointment. Yes, she does charge a fee. I was 10 minutes late, so I had to pay an extra $10. And I think she was bomb in laying the front of the wig, but for the back she said it was the style, but I'll show you guys at the end. But the front was laid exquisitely. She did her thing, no lie. So let's go ahead and watch. First, she put the wig cap on. She glued that well properly. Yeah, those lashes are from Young Lash Studio. That girl did me well. Big up yourself, Becky. You did bomb. Yeah, so she went ahead, she laid the cap down properly. She blow dried the hair to give it that, that volume. And here we go. The if you look at the hairline, you can see how neatly that was done. It looks real, like that's coming from my scalp. You know what I'm saying? She really did her thing with the front of the hair right there. I could have just walked out like that and wear it just like that. But your girl got married and we wanted an updo. So, we did the do for look cute and thing, walking down the aisle. And something we know would last for the day, not something that would, be dropping down and blowing out by the wind and stuff. As she progresses through the hair, you can just watch and see how it's coming along. So the back is done, the updo is done, and now she's just doing the two little piglets that I asked for in the front, which is going to be divided in two halves, one dropping to the left, one dropping to the right. And the left out here that you see there are going to be my baby hairs. There was a problem with how she put the wig on though. As you can see, I think that's the right side of my face, is drawn up a little bit more, so it looks like my eyebrow is unevenly shaved or threaded. But yeah, I think the wig cap was a little bit small. I have a very big head, for those who don't know. Yeah, your girl have a big head. But yeah, the cap was too small, and I think she was fighting to get it on, so it ended up that the right side, is this the right side? Yeah, the right side of the face got drawn up. And you'll see that in pictures to come. There we go. So you see that the baby hair is more to the eyebrow on that side, while on the left side there's a lot more space between the eyebrow and the baby hair. Yeah, that bugged me for an entire week though, because that feeling when your face is all drawn up and tight, oh god, and then you can't really pull it out. That was stressing, but your girl did look cute for the day, and that's all that matters. Them say beauty is pain. Not all the time, but sometimes you have to just endure. Like I would recommend her. One side of the twig though was higher than the other, but that was the least. Like the lace just laid, it just laid. And I would recommend her. Yeah, your girl was on her little vacation. Let go the hair a little bit, not bragging or anything, but God is good. Bless Jesus for the union. He's in the midst of it all. But yeah, the hair, it's capable of doing many different styles. Apart from the back, the front was laid for over a week, and I could do different styles. I could pin it up, I could let it out, I could comb it out, all of that. She did very good laying down the front of that hair. But yeah, this was me showing you guys how laid the hair was. Very good, exquisite, very good. Your girl did look cute Look at it. So I want to say a big thank you to Young Lash Studio for doing my lashes. Follow her on Instagram. And then big shout outs to your girl Makeup by Kwanda. Girl, you laid my face for my wedding. Yeah, big up yourself. Here we go, my husband and I enjoying our theme song for the day. I have a very big God. Hey, a very big God. Oh, okay. He's always on my side. He's always by my side. A very big God. This is a little snippet from Exquisite Install and an official thank you to all of y'all who supported and provided services on this big day, April 20, 2024. It was a bomb day. It was a very beautiful day, and I thank everybody who came, who shared in the joy. We really appreciate you. Mean a lot to us, and pick up on yourself. Thank you, Exquisite, for laying my lace. Thank you, Makeup by Kwanda, for doing my face. Everything was perfectly done. My dress is from Threadworks by Hal. You can find her on Instagram. She is bomb. You need prom dresses, wedding dresses, church clothes, anywhere you're going, she can get it done for you. Bye for now, guys. Bye, my lovelies.